Okay, this is a very quick demonstration to show you how to use Sketchbook Express or a drawing program to create your group of 7 painting or digital art. So what we're going to do is find a picture that's done by the group of 7. Pay attention to the lines that you see, the shapes. So if there's water or sky, often they had a lot of broad lines, and we want to make sure that these lines are closed off in our sketch when we're drawing it. So I'm going to work from this picture. I'm going to work quickly. I'm going to open up Sketchbook Express. So here's Sketchbook Express. It's a drawing program, and it can be downloaded for free. Okay, so I'm in a blank page here, and I want to make sure I have my pencil on. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose pencil. Make sure I've got it colored black. I want to have nice broad lines, and I'm ready to go. Now I'm going to sketch. So I want to make sure I'm doing lines that are closed off, so closing from one point to the other, because I'm going to fill in the space after. And I'm going to go and I'm going to make sure here's my foreground, closing off. Those are my rocks, and then I'm going to add my tree. So here's my tree, and I got to make sure that trunk is closed off as well. And they were famous for doing those trees in northern Ontario where the wind has blown them. Alright, so I will keep working on my sketch like that. And I have one that's saved, so I'm going to go and pull up. So when I finish my sketch, I'll have all of these lines that are closed off because I'm going to use the fill function to fill them in with color, and I'm ready to go. So the fill function, if I go up here, I'm going to go paint can. Maybe I want to have the rocks at the front brown color, so I've got my brown, and I'm going to go and I'm going to fill in that space here, and it fills in that space. So I'll play around with the fill option, and I'll color in all of the areas, and I've got one that I've done, and let's take a look at that one. So that one is a very, very simple one, done very quickly. You can always go in now with your paintbrush, and we can add some finer details, maybe, for example, some spots on with my paintbrush. I can go in and add some detail on the rocks, maybe. Alright, and add some texture in the water. But more or less, that's how you want to use the drawing program to create your group of 7 digital art. Thanks.